Hey everyone! Recently I saw this question on Cypress Discord where a user has a scenario where we have a table with multiple rows, columns, and we need to iterate through the rows of a table, find the one with a given text, and present its location or a success message, and the value is not found, then fail the test. And we have written something like this where we get the rows and then iterate through the rows, and if a row includes text, then we print the index. There are a couple of solutions, and then the last solution iterates through the rows, and if it finds the text, okay, it returns false, and then tries to check that's value, but there is no actual value yielded from say each. And so then they use a local variable to flag if a value was found or not. And then, using cy.then, we check that the flag was set. And let me show you a better way, okay? So I have a table, right? All it has is a couple of rows. And let's find a table's row with text Charles. I'm gonna move my VS Code to the side. I have this example already loaded in Cypress as a fiddle. Okay, you can see it right here. So if you want to find a row with particular text, you have to use cy.contains command, because that's an awesome command and it truly is universal. Charles. So what happens if the text is there? The test finds it and the test is successful. What happens if the text is not there? Let's say Charles with a Z for some reason. It retries and retries and retries, checking the page, and then it fails. There is no need to set a flag and then check if flag was set and fail the test. No. cy.contains will fail the test if the text is not found. That's it. No if else. Okay, so let's say the text is found. So right now we're looking for rows. Okay, so the found row is one of many. So what is its index? cy.contains yields a jQuery object. It has a method called index. So in a collection of siblings, it will return the index starting with 0. So we can invoke that method index, and we can just print it by using an assertion. It should be a number, for example. Okay, but you probably want to actually have a message. So what we can do instead, pass it to a cy.then callback and use cy.log to say found row at, and just put its index. It has to be k right here. Okay, so because the index starts at 0, the second row with Charles is at index 1. If you use my cypress-map plugin, you can do it even easier by just saying print and say found row and print it as a number. And it prints the current subject right there in the command log. Okay, so use cy.contains to find anything by text. It will fail if it's not found. It yields you a jQuery object, so you can invoke its index method, just like you can invoke any method using cy.invoke, and then you can print it or assert it. Find this example and many more recipes at my site, glebbakhmutov.com/cypressexamples, and I will put a link in the description of this video.